A bread clip is a device used to hold plastic bags closed, such as those in which sliced bread is commonly packaged. They are also commonly called bread tags, bread tabs, bread ties, bread buckles, or bread bag clips. By sealing a bag more securely than tying or folding over its open end, the clip or tie may preserve the bag's contents longer. In some cases, the color of the tag indicates the day on which it was baked, although there is no universal standard for the color code. Most designs of bread clip consist of a single plastic part through which the neck of a plastic bag can be threaded. Because these clips are cheap, ubiquitous, and come in a variety of shapes and colors, some people collect them. Most bread clips are made from plastic number 6 polystyrene, but KLR Systems also makes cardboard bread clips. Such clips are also used for bagged milk. In Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia, Canada, the most common package is 4 liters, 1.33-liter sealed bags in a larger bag, which is closed with a clip and imprinted with the milk's expected expiration date. A more complex bread clip design involves 2 articulated plastic parts mounted on a pivot with a spring between them to provide tension. The bread clip was invented by Floyd G. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.